So we we go on with the discussion of this paper, just to make things, let's say, in sequence, and they hopefully make it easy to understand. So all the previous videos were about the same paper, which had same title, had this same title here, and the key words in the title is Ghrelin, which the paper is about Ghrelin, adiposity, and rodents. So the paper is about Ghrelin, that has influence in the adiposity, which was studied in rodents, so was done no extension to humans. So if you decide to do it, it has to be something that you must take as granted. So the basic idea of the paper is that the title for me is very interesting because it's a very concise title. So Ghrelin induces adiposity in rodents. So the conclusion, the key idea of the paper is that Ghrelin has effect on the adiposity, which is not the one that you would expect. You'd expect that since Ghrelin controls appetite, it will makes you accumulate more fat. So it's not necessarily true, because it's not necessarily true that everyone that eats a lot get fat. So even if it's not necessarily true as well that someone that you might say that someone that eats a lot makes a lot of exercise. It's not always true. So we have cases in our society, in human in general, as a big group of people that eat a lot, not make too much exercise, and still very thin, very lean. So eat a lot is not necessarily it not necessarily mean that you are going to be fat. So the accumulation, the control of adipose tissue is not a function necessarily of how much you eat. It's more a function of how much you store, how much you keep as a income energy for your body, for your fat tissue. And the main idea of the paper is that the Ghrelin controls the amount of fat that is utilized. So it main idea that the Ghrelin creates a inhibition of the utilization of the adipose tissue. So it means that the higher the level of your Ghrelin, the higher will be the amount of fat you are going to store, because the less you are going to use. But attention must be taken that here the paper does not say, neither say that Ghrelin makes you accumulate fat, which is a function of insulin. Insulin is known to have a double function. One, it goes to your brain, the hypothalamus, and tell you to eat less, so it has an appetite control effect, and simultaneously it goes to your fat tissue and it tells your fat tissue to input the glucose that you have. So it means that the insulin has effect of asking you to put energy in, to input energy. In this case, Ghrelin is the opposite side of the chain, so it's on the opposite side of the chain. So Ghrelin tell you to